How to align panel in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make it in an aligned way. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here select View. So here, we're in this View section. Here, you'll be able to find the option called Appearance. Simply tap on Appearance. Now, on the bottom here, you'll be able to find different things like panel position and align panel. So here you can customize it accordingly. So basically there are different modes available. Simply select the one that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one, and as you can see the panel alignment is completely changed. So it's according to the customization and preference that you have, according to which you like. At last, simply go back and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.